LeBron James and Carmelo Anthony are both essentially log jamming the free agent process. LeBron is always going to be tied to Chris Bosh and Dwayne Wade, and the Miami group is still trying to figure out if they're going to re-sign. And then Carmelo obviously has been making his free agency tour. He finished up on Thursday in LA. 5 teams involved in that race. Really, I think only 3 teams. It's the Knicks, the Bulls, and the Rockets, in my opinion. That's what I'm being told by some of the executives involved in the process. The Knicks, though, appear to have made it very, very hard for Melo to leave New York by, reporting that max offers on the table. This is what we did not think Phil Jackson would be willing to do, is to give Carmelo every penny that he possibly could. Carmelo had said himself in recent months that he was willing to take a pay cut to try to make things work more with the roster. Does not appear that that's going to be the case. I just don't see Carmelo leaving New York. The Chicago Bulls seem to have a lot of obstacles right now in getting Carmelo. They looks like they can possibly only do a sign and trade to get him now that they're trying to work out another deal with a player named Nikola Mirotic. So we'll see what happens there. LeBron James, meanwhile, had his agent Rich Paul talking to teams. The Houston Rockets, Dallas Mavericks, Cleveland Cavaliers, and Phoenix Suns all had conversations with Rich Paul. This is the first real sign that LeBron is seriously considering some of these other pitchers that are going to be on the table. He's putting pressure on Pat Riley to improve that Heat roster, and that's where the danger zone comes into play for Miami, I think. Pat has not been able to get an agreement with any of his free agent targets just yet. Luol Deng is a big name and a guy that is being courted by Miami as a possible member of a Big Four to see if there's some way that he could join the Big Three. But again, Pat needs to hit the mark with some of these guys. He needs to be able to show LeBron that what happened in the finals last year against the Spurs is not going to happen again.